You're back in Congress.
I'm not.
You left Aam Aadmi Party, saying that being in a political party makes it difficult to work for a social cause. So,
No, no. I left because I wanted Aam Aadmi to be very actively involved in fighting against projects that are destroying Goa. And I felt that maybe for whatever reasons, there might be reasons, but whatever reasons, Aam Aadmi was not paying heed to it. And therefore, I felt that, you know, I
Congress is a
cannot.
better.
No, at that point of time, I was not thinking of
Now
Congress.
do you think?
Now, yes, I think Congress is a better option to fight for what is right for Goa. There is a lot that is destroying Goa, and I think we need to be very serious about our fight against the destruction of Goa from all points of view.
Okay, so now are you looking at your political career in Congress party, or this is just support during elections?
Right now, I'm not thinking of any political career. Right now, I am only thinking of Goa and the people of Goa.
How do you rate Captain Viriato as a candidate for
I think
India Alliance?
I think Captain Viriato is the candidate. I think he will do a lot for Goa. He has been fighting for the nation, and now definitely he will fight for the state and ensure that administration happens along lines that benefit the common man of the state of Goa.
Was it wrong on your part to join Aam Aadmi Party then?
I don't want to say that anything is wrong. Things happen as per the moment of time. But sometimes as you move forward, you realize certain things are not happening as per what you feel it should be. And therefore I left Aam Aadmi. I have nothing against Aam Aadmi Party, and what has happened to the chief of Aam Aadmi Party, I definitely feel with my whole heart and soul, because I consider him as a good man and a good administrator. Because before joining Aam Aadmi Party, I went to Delhi. I visited all the health clinics, the schools, the roads, whatever was done. And I was thoroughly impressed with what Aam Aadmi Party has done for Delhi. And I joined because I wanted the same to happen in Goa.
What are your plans? Last question. What are your plans for 2027 assembly elections?
Assembly elections, right now I'm only thinking of Goa. Okay?
Are you going to contest?
Right now, I don't know.
So
I am
this is not a retirement
I-
for you at all.
No, no. I don't retire. I don't believe in retirement.
You are not tired.
No, not at all. My love for Goa, as long as my love for Goa is there, I will never be tired.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.